For our first application, we'll build a simple form, and I'll show you two ways of doing this while using pages so you can see how that works. First, let's drag and drop a container to our canvas and let's adjust its size. Now let's look for text and drop it on the container. Here, we will ask our user what we need from them. After that, let's look for text input, which is where our user will answer our question. For the next question, let's ask a yes or no question. Do you like Platma? For this one, we can use a radio button, which already has the yes or no answer for you. Let's say that you want to ask user a question that requires a longer answer, like feedback. For this option, you would have to look for text area and adjust its size. As you can see, this is a bigger box for your user to write an answer. Now, let's add a button to submit the form. Let's make it bigger. Let's adjust our container. Okay, let's change the name of the button to submit, and let's add an event handler to this button. But first, let's create another page. Form 2. Enter. Here you can see that you already created a different page, and I will show you the other way of building a form. You just have to come to the components manager, search for form, and drop it on the canvas. As you can see, this is already made form for you that you can adjust and modify as you want. On the first form, let's add an event handler on the button, which basically means what is the button gonna do once you click it. You can come here and on action look for switch pages and select the page you want your form to go to after it's clicked. Now let's preview our application. So after user fills email, yes or no, and leaves a feedback, when they click submit, you can see it went to the second form. And just like that, you've built your first application.